Bali is one of Australia's favourite holiday destinations. Sunshine, beaches, amazing food and friendly people. Most trips are unforgettable for all the right reasons. But what if something goes wrong? What if there's a medical emergency? Or worse, someone passes away while overseas? Today, I'm going to gently guide you through what really happens and how Australians are supported here in Indonesia. If someone becomes seriously ill or injured, the first step is to get them to the nearest hospital or medical clinic. Bali has international hospitals and English-speaking staff in most tourist areas. If an unexpected death occurs, hospital doctors or local authorities will officially confirm it. It's important to stay calm. Support is available. If the death happens outside a hospital or suddenly, the police may need to be involved. This is normal procedure under Indonesian law. The Australian Consulate in Bali should also be notified. They don't pay for medical or transport arrangements, but they do guide families, provide lists of English-speaking funeral directors, and help with communication and documentation. To bring someone home to Australia, a few documents are required, such as an Indonesian medical or hospital death certificate, a civil registry death certificate called an Akta Kematian, passport and travel details of the person. These documents are then translated into English by authorised translators. Local funeral directors and the Australian Consulate usually help guide this process. Families may choose to bring their loved one home to Australia or arrange a cremation in Indonesia and return ashes instead. Both options are treated with respect and dignity. A licensed repatriation service will manage the paperwork, coordination with airlines and reception in Australia. The family doesn't have to do this alone. This is a difficult topic, but knowing the process gives peace of mind. Thousands of Australians travel safely to Indonesia every year, and in the rare case of an emergency, there is help. The most important thing is to stay calm, contact the consulate, and speak to professionals who know what to do. If you ever need help or personal guidance bringing someone home to Australia, you can contact Kenton Ross Funeral and Repatriation Services. 07328 55155. Email admin@krfunerals.com.we. We're here to assist families with care, dignity and respect. Thank you for watching. Travel safe, take care of one another and enjoy beautiful Bali.